Good morning guys, and in front of me is Redmi M6 and let me show you how to change the date and time on this device. So at first enroll the settings, then find and select additional settings, go to date and time, and at first switch off automatic date and time. And now as you can see, smoothly, manually by yourself you can change both date and time. Just mark OK, then to apply it, and that's it. Well, that would be all. As you can see, this panel also allows you to change the time zone, so just unmark the automatic one and then select it from the list. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.